Hello guys, I continue my videos about the problems of the traders that they face. Almost all traders are the same, okay? They face the same problems because they are in a phase where they don't see well what's going on in the market, and because it's the trader who has a problem, it's not the market. Okay, from the 19th century or 18th century when the stock market begins, okay, until now, stocks go up, go down each day. So what's the change? There is no change. Sometimes there is what we call, they say, just, you know, in general, they say when there is a big move up, and 1 or 2 years or 2 years in the history of the stock market, there are what you call black days. It means they just one day a lot of big hands move their money from the stock market and take it elsewhere, like what did happen in 2008. Where the money goes? Why the market there is a sell-off? Because people, they go to buy silver and gold, precious metals, companies, gold, silver, bonds. Okay? Why they go there? Okay? They go there because stock market was too much. They think it reaches, it doesn't go that much. So they took their money from 2008. They took all their money. That's why you see 2008. There is a crisis in the stock market. All the investors, they lost money. Okay? If they don't go out, you see 401. If you have 401, check 2008. You will see that you lose too much money from your 401. Okay? Now, the gambling mind. This is my video for this. You know, when you begin your life with gambling, I don't think that you will go far in your life. Gambling, what does it mean, gambling? It means you know beforehand that you will not succeed, but still you have a dream. So you have what you hope to have, and the real life are so different. That's why some companies that are related to the government, they like people when they dream. Okay? They like it. That's why we have a lottery. Okay? They say, okay, just give me $1, $2 each week or each time. I sell you a ticket. This ticket, you could have the jackpot, which is 400 million, 500 million, whatever. Okay? For these companies and for the government, because they work related to government, they can't work just independently because they harvest money from the people. It's too much money. And the government, they take tax on this money. So it is an easy money for the government, for those companies, and let the people dream. Okay? Let the people dream. If they say, for example, give us this $1, $2 each week or something, and all the billions that we have in the lottery, we go help people. Okay? We go to build factories and ask people to apply in order to have jobs. People, they don't have jobs. People, they are on the streets. Do you think the government or the company, they care about anyone else? If you have a job or you don't have a job? Okay? No one cares. What they care is to collect money. Easy money from the people. Okay? And you tell me, for example, oh, there is one who get 400 million. Yes. How many people they get this 400 million? 10,000? 20,000? 1 million people they get this 400? No. It's only one. Okay? It's only one, and all are losers. Okay? So, when you come to trading, stop. If you begin to gamble, like when you gamble in the taking tickets, is the same. And you say to yourself, okay, I'm not going to to have $10,000 in a penny stock. No, I just have $100, $200. It's just a little money, okay? And this $100, $200, it could be 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. So I make money. It's feasible, yes? Yes, it can. But the rate for success is 1 out of 1,000 or 2,000. So it's a lottery, it's a game. So you are doing the same with the stocks. You are in trading stocks. You are doing the same as in lottery when you buy a ticket with $2, $3. Because your money, 1,000, 2,000, 5,000. What is it in stock market? It's nothing. Okay? It's as if you are, and when you think about when you are, this is the analogy, when you are gambling, and you say to yourself, what's this $1, $2, $5? Even if I spend $50 each month or $100 gambling, buying tickets, maybe. But the problem is that the lottery is calculated by math. Do you understand that? Probabilities. When you trade, you use probabilities. In trading and in the lottery, they have the same analogy. Okay? If you don't know, if you the chances to lose is too much, okay? It's not worth it. Okay? It's not worth it because you trade and you lose. Even if one time you win, okay? I don't say you will never win a trade. You will win trades. That's why people, they like penny stocks. You win for example, you put $1,000, you will win $500, $600. You will see the money. You say, oh, I get it. I know what to do. Okay? It's just, I see a stock going up or go down or something, I buy it and I make money. Now, but you do it second time, third time, fourth time, and one time you put, because of the greed that you have, and the gambling thing that it is always turning in your mind, you are not logical. You act illogically, okay? And then you bet on a stock and you put all your money. One time, it will happen. Even if it happens now, it will happen later because of the greed. And this stock was $1, and at your surprise in the morning you find it's 30 cents or 20 cents or 10 cents. And you say, what did happen? I always win, what's this? But when you lose almost your money because they are manipulated, this kind of stocks. Okay? Now, this gambling mentality, this gambling mindset, when you are in real life, it's the same when you buy a lottery ticket. It's the same when you buy a ticker. It means a symbol. You buy a stock. It's the same thing. If you don't know how to trade, you are gambling. Okay? So you need time to stop gambling and think logically. Okay? You should study. You should do what it takes to become a professional. It takes work. And most of the people who gamble, why they don't work? I'm not saying work. You take the whole day, 24 hours thinking about how to make money. No, I'm not saying that. But you should take time. If you have another job and you want to do trading, and you like stock market, and you have this idea of you can make tons of money from little, you should stop trading. If you are making a lot of losses, stop trading. I don't say close your account, broker account. No, don't close it. But stop trading. Take your trades. Try to study them. Why you lose always? If you are doing, it's no brainer. When you are in penny stocks, it's highly manipulated. It's risky, so you lose. This without when you tell me I am doing 1 cent and 10 cents and $1, $1.50, and I'm doing those trades, I'm telling you from the beginning that you will lose now or in the future or in the past you have lost and you lose too much. Okay? So stop this gambling mind. Study your stocks. See what's wrong. If you don't know what's wrong, send me some stocks. But not penny stocks, because penny stocks, I told you, I will not see them. If the stocks that you are buying are 10 cents, $1, $1.50, $2, these kind of stocks like this, $5, $3, $4, these stocks are highly manipulated, especially when there is what we call the pump and dump scheme. You see the stocks, it was trading in the day range. You see, for example, 10 cents, 25 cents, and then one day you see it goes from 25 cents. The next day it goes to $1. It means there is something going on. It means people are beginning to buy too much because the beginning of the scheme has begun. The beginning of the scam has begun. Okay? A lot of promoters, they ask people to go to the stocks and buy because it's the investment of life. So people, they don't think. They trust these kind of people who are like, I don't say liars, but those people, they just do advertise for companies that they pay them. You see these guys online that they put stocks and they say watch list. They send you a newsletter, and they, even if most of the time it's free. Yes, it's free. They ask you to join to that kind of trade. Most of the time these companies, they just get public. They are so risky, and you put your money and the next day it goes down, the other day it goes down, and you stay until you lose all your money, and then you say it's the manipulation, it's the market. Why you go to manipulation? Why you go to the risky investment and you want to make money there? Okay? People, professionals are better and clever than you. They are not. Believe me, when you don't have a clear idea what's going on in the market, you will get ripped off. You will lose your shirt, or all your clothes become nude in the street. You understand what I mean? Okay? So if you are naturalist and those who are living without clothes, okay. So you get ripped off by yourself, not by other people. It's good. So this is the thing. Stop gambling. This is my video about. Stop gambling. Be logical. Plan for your trade. See if there is a possibility. There are probabilities. Is this stock can go up or no? Okay? Just probabilities. If you are not certain, don't do the trade, because you should be confident in your skills. If you have never seen the money, stop trading, study your stocks, ask some people who know better than you. And for me, I'm doing things for free. Most of the time, some people, they ask me, what do you think about this stock? When I see penny stock, I say, okay, I don't do penny stock, don't ask me about this. Because it's $2 today, next day is 50 cents, the other day is $5. So it's so risky. So I can't give you my opinion about this, because I don't trade them. It's gambling thing, I don't do them. Okay? For me, I have some money. Okay? I don't want to put 20,000, 30,000 in a trash. Okay, in a trashy stock, and then I lose 10,000, 20,000 in one day. I'm not stupid, and I'm still having my mind. I'm not a fool. Okay, in terms of risk management, I risk only 1 or 2%. The maximum I can lose is 5% of my capital. That's it. I'm not stupid to lose 20% in a trade, like in penny stocks, or 30% or 50% or more. Who is doing this? Beginners are doing this. And if you are a beginner, you are listening to me, you are watching me, this is my advice. Stop going to those stocks. Go to stocks that are 7, 10, 12, 15, and buy little. And the stock, if it goes 20 or 30 or something, you can have money. But the money that you have is good, because you begin to understand that the money is in the bigger stocks, not in the small stocks. Now you see in the chart, it goes from $1 to $10. You see it. And from $10 it goes to $2 down. You see it. But in order to take part of this, you should be a professional trader. You should know how to deal with these stocks. But you are not. You are a beginner. So most of the time you lose. Okay? So thank you very much for watching this video. I'm telling you something that for me in my life, I have never bought a lottery ticket. Believe it or not, I have never bought. Because I will not give $1 for free for those who harvest the money. I can give $10, $50, $100 to a poor. Okay, poor in the street, he needs money, I can give him this. Because this is charity. Okay, it's just bounty of oneself or other people, and the people, they help each other. Okay, I can give that money because I don't want to return. Okay, it's just a charity, like everybody else. You help other people, but the thing is to give $1 or $2, because those people that gamble, they don't gamble like $1 or $2 a year, but it will become a habit of spending money without return. Okay, you give to someone, he gives you a piece of paper that it is worthless. Okay, it's just a paper that you scratch or something. It's, you know, if this paper will have $400 million, do you think that guy will give it to you? They will never, man. They are in business to make money, not to give money. Okay, and understand, I will give you this because some people, they don't know about lottery. The 400 that you see $1 million, for example, the jackpot, the big jackpot, or 600 million or whatever, is only a part of the big money they harvest. It is not the whole money. They will not give you the whole money. But they should cut. For example, let's say in the lottery, they do a lottery and they get, for example, $5 billion from people, okay? From selling the thing. The government will take the majority of the money. Let's say 75% of the money, they took it from the beginning, okay? Not after. And then the company should take 10%, 50% or something, and what is left, 5% or 7 or 10, they give it to the winner, okay? And this winner, when he got the money, the government comes again to him and he say, oh, okay, you have money, so you should be taxed. Okay, it's double taxation. That's why the government likes, you know, the government is, if it is a woman, she will kiss everyone who will give money for free. Okay, understand that. But I'm telling you, it's not a nice woman. It should be an ugly woman, because they take your money, they will not give back anything. Okay, so this is the real life about lottery. If you don't know, just go online and search how these companies, they harvest money. In the stock market, it's the same. Penny stocks, professional, they harvest all the money of the beginners. They make money. They make too much money. But those are professionals that are working on the mindset of the beginners. They know why the beginners, they come, because of their greed. They come, they put $100 or $200 in a stock, and they want to make $5,000. Okay, you want to make money? Okay, here is the stock, because they put promoters. They ask you to join. Cool, there, man, join this. Put your money, and next day you will see what will happen. Okay. Someone tells me, oh, some people, they make money. Yes, but who are these people? Is it you? Is it you? You put 1,000, you get 10,000 each day. Each day you enter to a pinsa. Is it you? No, it is not you. It is someone else. And I know who are these people. Professional. Okay? And they know that you can't go by yourself, because there are thousands of stocks. That's why they direct you. Okay? You see, go for example, see some stocks, penny stocks, the volume. You find the volume, for example, 50,000 shares traded a day. And then, When the stock begins to go high, you see 1 million, 2 million, 3 million shares traded. From where those buyers come? The buyers come because they are beginners. Okay? They don't know. They put all their money in the stock. Put one at night, they short it. In the morning, all the people lose their money. Okay? That's it. And it is always the same. It's like lottery. That's why I make an analogy. It's the same as a lottery. You always put, for example, let's say you are 40 years, 50, 60. And I ask you, have you been a gambler in your life? You say yes. Did you get 400 million like a jackpot? Oh, you say no, but I am thinking, and next time it be my luck. Okay, when you are dead, tell me, okay, if you get this. Because probabilities is 1 out of 1 billion, for example. So you can't do business when you have probabilities like this. You can't. You should have probabilities is when it is like 50-50 or something like that. Okay? A high probability that you win. 51%, 80%, 90%. When you enter a trade, you can make money. That is trading. Now, if you have one chance after 1 million or 1 billion, and you think you can make money, you are doing gambling, and the money that you will never see. Because you are giving your money for free for other professional traders. And in real life, when you do lottery, you are giving to companies that harvest money. And I see, when I go driving and I see $60 million, 100 million jackpot, all the people you know who are gamblers, you see, oh man, if I get that money, I should go right now to gas station and buy some tickets. 1, 2, and you hear in the radio, oh, someone has $300 million. Okay, what about the 100 million that they buy the tickets? They buy what? They buy nothing. Okay, it's a big business. It's a big business for the government and for those companies that they harvest money. They take all the money and they say I have seen the worst advertisement about this lottery. Oh, they're going to education. Education? Who? Education? Why they go to education? It means the government is so wise to take the money. The money goes. I will tell you where the money goes. You see those federal workers and state workers? You know them, okay? Maybe you are one of them, or they get more vacation, they get more holidays than the other. I always compare. Why the guy who works in the state or the federal, he has a federal job. He has more vacation than someone else, than the private companies. Okay? They have more holidays. They have more vacation. They have free benefits. They pay good, and it's all going up each year. Okay? This is where your money is going. It's going to those kind of people. And they say, oh, the money goes to the education. We are to educate people. We are to help people. Okay? You have too much tax from all the companies, so why you don't help people? Okay? You help them just for the free money? And what about the tax that you take from the profits of the companies? Where you put this money? Okay? Some money goes to the space. Okay? We are searching for aliens. Okay? We are searching for alien, outside the space, and we try to see if there is a human race or there is another species that the movies we see always. Okay? This is where your money goes. Okay? That's it. So, right now, stop gambling. Begin the good work. Study your stocks. If you don't know, ask. If you don't have strategy, buy strategy from any book or take it from free from online. Just trade virtually, okay? Open an account that is free and just do trade and try strategies. If you find strategy that works for you and you can make money, that's it. You begin doing trades, real trades. Okay? So thank you very much for your watching this video. If you have any question, as usual, comment or send me a private message. Thank you.